Hey travelers. Picture this scenario. You're 65, you've booked what seems like a great flight deal, and you're feeling pretty smart about your travel planning. But then reality hits at the airport. Suddenly there's an unexpected charge here, another fee there, and by the time you board that plane, you've paid nearly $200 more than you budgeted. Sound familiar? Here's the shocking truth that airlines desperately don't want seniors to discover. The average traveler over 60 now gets hit with an extra $147 per trip in hidden charges, compared to younger passengers. And here's the kicker, most of these fees are completely avoidable if you know the right tricks. I'm about to expose 10 specific traps that airlines use to systematically overcharge senior travelers, plus the exact phrases and strategies you need to fight back. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll never look at airline booking the same way again. Don't let airlines take advantage of you. If you're 60 or older, you're likely paying way more than you should, and it's not your fault. These airline traps are designed to confuse and overcharge you. Watch till the end to learn the hidden fees targeting seniors and exactly how to avoid them. So before you book your next flight, arm yourself with this knowledge. Hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you never get blindsided again. Let's get right into it. Problem identification? Let me start with a hard truth that might make your blood boil. Airlines have developed what I call the Senior Penalty Playbook. It's a sophisticated system designed to extract maximum revenue from travelers over 60, and they're incredibly good at it. Why do they target seniors specifically? 3 reasons. First, many seniors prefer traditional booking methods like phone calls instead of apps, which triggers automatic upcharge opportunities. Second, seniors often travel with medical equipment or mobility needs that create fee vulnerabilities. Third, and this is the most cynical part, airlines know that many seniors are less likely to argue with authority figures or challenge fees at busy counters. This isn't conspiracy theory stuff. Internal airline training documents show that gate agents are specifically coached on how to impose discretionary fees on older passengers who seem unfamiliar with current policies. The system works because it's designed to look legitimate on the surface while systematically extracting extra money from the demographic least likely to fight back. But here's where things get interesting. Every single one of these traps has a legal workaround, and I'm going to teach you exactly how to use them. Trap breakdown. Let's dive into the first major trap that catches almost everyone. The vanishing senior discount scam is perhaps the most infuriating because airlines actively advertise these discounts while making them nearly impossible to find. Major carriers like American, Delta, and United still offer substantial senior discounts up to 30% off regular fares. But here's the catch. These discounts are deliberately excluded from their websites and mobile apps. They exist only through phone reservations, buried in systems that most travelers never access. Why this elaborate hide-and-seek game? Simple economics. Phone-only deals allow airlines to control inventory release and avoid undercutting their published online prices. When you book through their website, you're guaranteed to miss these savings. The solution requires a specific approach. Call the airline directly and use this exact script. Tell them you're over 60 and ask what unpublished senior fares they have available for your destination. Tuesday afternoons work best because that's when inventory systems typically refresh with new availability. Here's a pro move that most people never think to do. Ask the phone agent to permanently note your birth date and senior status in your frequent flyer profile. This creates an automatic flag that triggers eligibility checks for senior discounts on every future booking. Think of it as installing a money-saving reminder directly in their system. The second trap hits you right at baggage check with what I call the medical equipment shakedown. Federal regulations under the Department of Transportation clearly state that essential medical equipment including CPAP machines, oxygen concentrators, and mobility aids must fly free of charge. But here's what actually happens at airports. Undertrained gate agents routinely try to impose baggage fees ranging from $50 to $90, banking on seniors not knowing their legal rights. This scam works because many airline employees follow outdated fee charts instead of current federal law. They're hoping you'll pay the bogus fee rather than create a scene at a busy counter. Your defense strategy requires knowing the exact legal language. When checking medical equipment, state clearly that this is essential medical equipment under 14 CFR 382.41 and it flies free of charge. If they resist, immediately ask for a supervisor and say, please document your refusal to honor federal medical equipment regulations. Seating and boarding trap. The seat assignment ransom represents one of airlines' most profitable senior targeting strategies. Here's how it works. Airlines have systematically moved most aisle and window seats into premium categories, leaving primarily middle seats available for standard bookings. They know seniors often need aisle access for bathroom visits or have comfort requirements that make middle seats problematic. The result is a forced upsell situation where you're paying $45 to $75 per flight segment for what used to be standard accommodation. But there's a powerful counter-strategy that works surprisingly well. At the gate, approach the agent and explain that due to your age and mobility needs, you require an aisle seat for medical accommodation. Ask if they can assign one without additional fees. Gate agents have override codes specifically designed to avoid terminal confrontations, and they'll often use them rather than deal with a potential scene. Here's an insider timing trick that can save you serious money. Seat maps 2 to 3 hours before departure. Airlines often release premium seats during this window, rather than let them fly empty. Combined with the medical accommodation request, you can frequently snag these seats at no additional cost. The pre-boarding goldmine is a benefit that most seniors never realize they can access. Airlines allow any senior citing mild mobility concerns, slower walking, balance issues, or heavy carry-ons to board with the priority group. The catch is they never advertise this accommodation openly because too many early boarders slow their efficiency metrics. Your approach here needs to be confident but not confrontational. Make eye contact with the gate agent and state that you're a senior who needs extra boarding time for safety. Then ask them to mark your ticket for pre-board. They'll typically wave you through with wheelchair passengers about 90% of the time. If you're traveling with family, mention that you're boarding together as care companions. Airlines rarely challenge companion boarding for adults requiring assistance. Hidden fees trap. The check-in penalty trap represents a particularly nasty evolution in airline fee structures. Budget carriers now routinely charge $65 for airport check-in, with major airlines increasingly adopting similar policies. This specifically targets seniors who struggle with mobile apps or prefer traditional paper tickets. The fee exists purely to force digital adoption while reducing airline staffing costs. Your defense strategy starts at booking time. Immediately ask whether you'll face fees for checking in at the airport instead of online. If the answer is yes, have the booking agent walk you through mobile check-in procedures step by step over the phone before your travel date. As backup protection, print boarding passes at home or hotel business centers. Even when apps claim mobile-only policies, paper backup typically gets you through security without triggering surprise fees. The missed flight money grab has become increasingly aggressive as airlines discovered how much profit they can extract from passenger distress. When you miss connections or face delays, airlines now impose rescue fees between $150 and $200 to reissue tickets, even when the delays are clearly their fault. Seniors facing mobility challenges or tight connections get hit hardest, and customer service agents rarely mention your rights to free rebooking under consumer protection regulations. When dealing with missed connections, use this specific language at customer service. Identify yourself as a senior traveler requesting service recovery accommodation under DOT passenger rights, then ask for no-fee rebooking due to the circumstances. Mentioning your age triggers different training protocols that often result in more favorable treatment. Always get the agent's name and any delay documentation, then escalate using your senior status and assistance needs as leverage. Carry-on and security trap. The carry-on size sting catches travelers off guard because dimension requirements have quietly shrunk over recent years. Your bag might have been perfectly legal last year, but new 2025 restrictions mean gate agents can now impose $45 instant penalties for bags that were previously acceptable. Medical supplies and comfort items make seniors especially vulnerable to this trap because enforcement happens at boarding when you have zero leverage or negotiation time. The key to avoiding this scam is proactive declaration. At check-in, ask specifically whether your bag and any essential medical items comply with current size limits. If you're carrying medical equipment, declare it up front by stating these are medical necessities under ADA regulations that don't count as carry-on items. If challenged at the gate, remain calm and repeat that your bag contains medical necessities under federal accommodation law. Most gate staff immediately back down when they realize you understand the regulations. Hidden senior services represent perhaps the biggest missed opportunity in air travel. Airlines and airports offer priority lanes, wheelchair assistance, and expedited security specifically for seniors, but staff almost never mention these services unless directly asked. Why the secrecy? These accommodations cost money and slow operations, so they prefer you remain unaware they exist. Most seniors over 75 automatically qualify for TSA pre-check style treatment, including keeping shoes and light jackets on during security screening, regardless of membership status. But you must speak up to access these benefits. At security checkpoints, ask whether senior priority lanes are available and mention that you qualify for expedited screening due to your age. At airport entrances, inquire about wheelchair assistance for priority boarding and baggage claim, even if you don't actually need the wheelchair. This service guarantees shortest security lines, priority boarding, and first off-plane baggage assistance. Membership and group booking trap. The membership verification penalty creates a brutal catch-22 situation for discount travelers. When you book through senior discount programs like Air France's Senior Pass or United's 65-plus fares, showing up without proper verification triggers an $85 price adjustment penalty that can instantly wipe out all your savings. This trap exists because airlines profit when discount verification fails, hoping system glitches or forgotten documentation will let them collect full fares plus penalties. Your protection strategy requires redundant documentation. Always bring printed confirmation plus photo identification. If systems fail at check-in, tell the counter agent you're an enrolled senior member with valid proof, and ask them to verify manually while honoring the original fare without penalties. Screenshot your membership details and discount confirmation, saving them in your phone's photo gallery for instant offline access, even if apps crash or Wi-Fi fails. The group booking goldmine represents the ultimate insider secret that airline executives pray you never discover. When traveling with fellow seniors for reunions, cruises, or tours, airlines offer unpublished group rates with 25 to 60% savings per ticket. These secret fare classes exist but require insider knowledge to access because they slash profit margins dramatically. Your winning approach requires specific language and strategy. Contact airlines directly and explain that you're organizing travel for 8 or more senior travelers, then ask about unpublished group rates or senior block discounts. Request flexible midweek dates for maximum savings potential, and always have one person handle all bookings to maintain group eligibility requirements. Compare group offers against flash sales because sometimes public promotions beat group rates, but group bookings often include free changes and upgrades that individual tickets don't offer. And there you have it. A few specific traps that airlines use to systematically overcharge senior travelers, plus the exact strategies you need to fight back. These aren't minor inconveniences, we're talking about real money that adds up to hundreds of dollars per trip. The beautiful thing is that every single one of these traps becomes powerless once you know how to counter them. Which of these hidden fees are you going to block first on your next trip? And what's your best senior travel hack that airlines absolutely hate? Drop your strategies in the comments and help build a community of savvy travelers who refuse to get ripped off. If this video saves you money, hit that like button and share it with every senior traveler you know. Subscribe to join thousands of smart flyers who are taking control of their travel costs and flying like insiders. Until next time, keep those skies clear and those wallets protected.